Hi, today we will be working on our lesson 2 from module 6 application problem. Remember, when we work our application problems, we use our read, draw, write process. So first step is to read. Myra sorts her socks by color. She has 4 purple socks, 4 yellow socks, 4 pink socks, and 4 orange socks. Before we move on, we want to go back and make sure that we're underlining all of our important information. So let's read it again. Myra sorts her socks by color. She has 4 purple socks, 4 yellow socks, 4 pink socks, and 4 orange socks. Our next step is to do part A. Draw groups to show how Myra sorts her socks. So she's sorting them by color. I'm going to go ahead and start with my purple socks. I don't have purple as a color, so I'm going to use red. She has 4 purple socks. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write a P here for purple. She has 4 yellow socks. Whoops. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to draw a circle for my group, and I'm going to put a Y for yellow. She has 4 pink socks. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do a PI for pink. It's very important that you label your things just so that we know that we're keeping track of everything we need to keep track of. Now we have our last group, which is our 4 orange socks. And I'm going to label it O for orange. All right, so we've finished with part A. We've drawn all our groups and we've put them in their circles and labeled them. Our next step is to write a repeated addition equation to match. Now, this is something that we've done before. Our repeated addition sentence is going to show how our groups equal the total. So I'm going to draw my numbers underneath each group. So I have 4. I need to figure out how to work this. There we go. I have 4 in my purple group, so I'm going to put a 4 there. Plus, and I have 4 in my yellow group, plus I have 4 in my pink group, and finally I have 4 in my orange group. Whenever we do this, it can get really confusing when we're trying to add numbers that are all the same, and sometimes we'll lose count. So I want you to make sure that you're adding your numbers 2 at a time. So let's change it to a different color. We'll use blue. I know 4 plus 4 equals 8. I know 8 plus 4 equals 12. And I know 12 plus 4 equals 20. So my total number of socks is going to be 20. So your number sentence should say 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 20. Our last step is to write our answer statement. We want to answer the question that's given. How many socks does Myra have in all? Remember, we answer in complete sentences. So I'm going to say, Myra has 20 socks in all. Let's write that without being in all caps. That's the end of this lesson. Please be sure to watch lesson 2, problem set.